See, look at that. It is very, very nice. Well made, yes. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Roche, aka beautymagz. In today's video, we are doing an affordable, sexy, see-through lingerie panty haul from Shopee. And we are talking about G-string, see-through, embroidery, lace type of a design, or we'll see what we can find in these two items right here. So if you're interested what these two items right here look like, then please keep on watching. So I got two items right here for you guys. This comes in this plastic, okay, so it is still sealed. Yes, we have a different video right now, so we're doing unboxing. It's better this way. Okay, we can have more fun talking about these two lingeries right here. I don't remember what the design looks like, and also prices is somewhere around 50 to 70 pesos. Two items comes from Shopee, so I did my online shopping and also in a discounted manner. I always go for cost saving, budget friendly type of lingerie, okay, but even though it's in a savings or discounted way or manner, I can get more money from doing so. So if you are interested to this lingerie right here, then keep on watching. All right, so let's move on. Okay. Okay guys, this comes in this plastic right here. Okay, so I guess this will be the item or code number in the factory. Okay, so maybe we're talking about affordable, sexy, see-through lingerie panty haul, and probably this could be G-strings. I think I see G-strings right here. So this is going to be our part 22. Okay. Alright, so let's move on, let's see you guys. Okay, alright, okay, let's see. Okay, alright, unboxing for real. Oh, okay, oh, alright. Allah. Oh, okay, this comes into this, so this will be like a tie design. Okay, right, so it's a tie up design. You got a tag here. Let's just remove this, okay, so you can better see and look what this lingerie looks like. Okay, be very, very careful in removing tags so you'll not destroy the threading. Okay, this bow is a little bit too loose. Okay, so yes, on screen guys, the color is true to its color. It's really like deep aqua blue purple undertone panty. Okay, so you got a tie over here, two strings, okay, both ends. Okay, right, take a look. Okay, two, okay, two strings, so you have to tie it this way. Okay, tie it this way, and then take a look, you guys. All right, let me just do like that first. Okay, so you can see what this lingerie looks like. Okay, so from here in this angle, like that. Okay, from that angle. Okay, and then in the back side, let's take a look. Okay, very cute, you guys. It's embroidery lace type of a material. Okay, now let's have a very, very clear look on the embroidery. See, look at that. It is very, very nice, well made, yes. Okay, and a bow here in front. Okay, look at that, cute. Right, so tiny as well. Okay, so I observed that on Shopee the size that they have for their lingerie is more on the petite Asian style. Okay, so if you are a little bit more on the heavy side, buy an extra large. Okay, so it can really fit you well. Most of the one I got is like a standard size. It's quite small though, so it is basically fit to Asian style, Asian type of a body. So if you are on the heavy side, XL or XXL if they have it. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the back side. Okay, very nice, you guys. Look at that. Right, it's cute. Right, like that. Cute. So cute, so nice. You just have to tie it here. Okay, I don't want to do it because it's hard to do it in the camera, but this is what it looks like. Okay, all right. Again, look at it in this angle. Right, super tiny. Okay, all right, I think that would be enough, right? Okay, so let's move on to the next one. The next one we have is this in this bag. So you're looking at light pink. Okay, prices for this, I'll leave it on the screen, and also the name of the lingerie. Okay, so what this panty looks like. Oh wow, it's more on a flowery side. Wow guys, look at that. This one comes in a bigger size, you guys. So let's take this tag off. Okay, yeah, make sure you tear in the middle. Okay, and then very gently pull it. Okay, so you're not gonna mess up the threading. Okay, so let's take a look at the whole screen of this lingerie. Okay, all right, so this is a G-string lingerie. Okay, and the color is wonderful. Look at that, light pink, baby pink. Yes, so cute. And look at the packet side here. It got a lace. Look at that. You got a touch of a lace, no? Others is just like plain like cotton over here, but this one comes in a lace. That's a good touch. And you got this lace embroidery type of a design. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. You will look so sexy in this one. This will also be good for bridal lingerie. Yes, if you are a bride to be, I would definitely recommend this. It's light pink. This is good for a first night. I think I like this one for a first night. Yes, even though it's light pink, but you know, when at night, I think it's not much really like striking. This one, you can use it for your first night. Okay, so let's take a look again. See, closer look.
Wow!
Sorry if I'm very shaky. Okay, look at that. Right, nice, no? Then here, back side. Wow, cute. Now let's move on to the back side. Look at that. You get T, right? Thong. And look at that. Okay, let me just run through my hand, okay? So you can see the T section, okay? Here in the back side. That's wonderful, guys. That's really nice. It's very neat. I like it. And look at like the lace. It's embroidery that they are using with this panty. So cute. I certainly like this one. Look at that. See, even though it's delicate, I think the lace is very solid. You know, the stitching, I think they really have a good job with creating this. It's very nice, you guys. Very, look at that. I'm very amazed in this one. I don't know you guys, but it looks like rose, no, here. I think it looks like rose. I don't know, but here and a touch of, I don't know, it's very cute design. I do like it. So G strings again. Look at that. Right. So of these two, right? Do you like this one or the other one? I think both of these are really, really nice, you guys. I do certainly like both of these. Either way, yeah, if you want color, you can have the blue, and this one if you are into like light pinks or whites. Because this is like baby pink, this will not really like distract you with a brighter color, because this is not bright. This is like a flash of pink. This one is cute. Okay, again, take a deeper look. Okay, it's very, very nice, you guys. Certainly adorable, certainly cute and fun and exciting, and you will really, really make you feel sexy in your first night. Yes, that's a very sexy lingerie, right? Very, I got a good deal with this one too. So cute. All right, this will sum up our video for today. I hope you like my lingerie collection from Shopee. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, bye!